Welcome to the next lesson, which is the oil filter. In front of you I have an example of an oil filter that's been removed from a car, cleaned for instructional purposes. The oil filter itself, then, this is the top of the oil filter, this is the bottom of the oil filter, and the left and right hand side of the oil filter. Located on the top, then, we have a black rubber seal. The object of this particular rubber seal is to prevent oil from escaping from the oil filter and also to prevent dirt and debris from getting into the oil filter itself. Around the outside of the oil filter we have a metal body. The object of the body is to protect and house all the internal components. Just inside the big rubber seal we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inlet holes. The object of these inlet holes is to allow the oil into the air filter. Directly below these inlet holes there is a rubber flap. The object of the rubber flap is to prevent oil from coming back out of the oil filter when it's in the upright position. In the centre we have a smaller rubber seal. The object of this rubber seal again is to prevent oil from escaping and mixing, and also to prevent dirt and debris getting in. Inside that we have the outlet. The object of the outlet is to get the oil out of the oil filter. The oil filter is also fitted with a threaded mounting piece. On the inside of the oil filter we have paper pleated element. The object of the paper pleated element is to filter all the fine dirt particles out of the oil. Located in the centre we have the outlet tube. The outlet tube is perforated to allow the clean oil into the centre so it can be sent up to the outlet. Located at the bottom of the pleated element we have a bypass spring. The object of the bypass spring is to allow oil to pass through the filter even when it becomes blocked, as dirty oil is better than no oil at all, and this will become more apparent in the action phase of this lesson. Saying that, moving on to the action then. With the engine turning and the oil pump pumping oil up to the filter inlets, the filter inlets allow oil in and around the outside of the pleated element. The oil is absorbed through the paper pleated element where the dirt is trapped, and the clean oil goes through into the perforated outlet tube. The oil is then filled up and comes up to the outlet, where it's then moving on to the next component. If you don't replace your filter, the filter will become blocked. As the filter becomes blocked, pressure builds up around the outside of the pleated element and forces down on the paper pleated element, compressing the spring at the bottom. As this happens, the dirty oil comes in through the inlet and straight back out through the outlet, giving you the idea that dirty oil is better than no oil at all. Thank you for listening to the oil filter.